prioritize what you call national interest. Kung ano ang tingin nilang nakakabuti sa kanilang mga bansa. Yun yung kasi ang role ng isang presidente. You have to protect the national interest and what is good for your country. And you can see it in Trump and President Xi. Kaya kung titignan mo, may recalibration ng kanilang tinatawag mong relationship. From very antagonistic, ngayon nagkakaroon ng tinatawag mong normalcy. Now, asa ng Pilipinas dyan? The Philippines as a small country, you need to learn how to navigate your relationship with two superpowers na dapat hindi ka gigitna or hindi ka maglilin toward one. Dapat, tawag nito, wise enough that you will have room for maneuvers at hindi ka perceive ng isa sa kanila na kaaway or adversary para maprotektahan mo ang sarili mong national interest. So, right now, under Marcos Jr. government, problema niyang malaki yan. Kasi hindi siya pinapansin ni Trump, hindi rin naman siya pinapansin ni President Xi. Ay, ang problema ni Marcos Jr., napapaligiran siya ng mga pro-American surrogates na kung saan hindi nababalanse ang pagtingin niya sa positioning ng Pilipinas when you talk about foreign relation. Again, at the end of the day, the best way for the Philippines is to be neutral, to have an independent foreign policy, equidistant to all major powers, and try to recalibrate your relationship with the United States that you will never antagonize another superpower para nasa best position ka in the same manner that our ASEAN counterparts have that best position right now, like Vietnam, like Malaysia, Singapore, and even Thailand, and even the rest of Southeast Asia.